Okay, so 30 minutes till go time. So apparently I have to go down this street, take a right, and supposedly the entrance is on that side. Because I texted my on-site contact, I was like, hey, dumb question. Which entrance do I go to? Because there's like 15 different entrances. I don't know what the parking situation is gonna be like, and I don't want to pay to park, so I'm just gonna like lug all my gear on the street, which is what I do every day, all the time. There's nothing new. Hopefully I can, you know, get in with ease and everybody knows who I am, and I could just set up and everything's gonna be quick, boom, bang, ching chang, done. Anxiety's level high. It always is the day of setup, because you just never know what's gonna, you know, go wrong. Because usually 9 times out of 10 something does, and you just gotta troubleshoot it. But let's hope for the best. Let's hope for a smooth sailing, swimming, you know, thing here. And I'm actually gonna take out some of the things that I don't need. Okay, we're at the entrance. Now I'm waiting for the contact to come and help me out. Also, this lens is so dirty. It always gets so dirty. All right, so I got the setup in here. Pretty cool. Oh, my shit is just out here. I had to eat lunch while I was recording because there are only 5-minute breaks, enough to go to the bathroom, fix the camera stuff, and regroup. So yeah, it's been fun. But overall, not too bad, nothing's gone wrong tremendously, so that's good. Okay, it's over. Yeah, back to the room we go. Okay, so everything is being backed up right now. It is so hot and humid outside, like I feel like I'm walking out into a shower. I'm gonna get dinner. I was invited to like a house party after everything went on at the convention center. I don't know if that's actually a thing or happening, or like what time that is. I found a park for tomorrow that I'm gonna go to while I wait for my like flight and stuff. Because, oh yeah, I need to check in for my flight. As soon as I was done, they like rushed into something else, and I was like, listen guys, you have to give me some time to pack up. Things are backing up, I'm checking my gear. Then I'm gonna go probably get some sushi at the grocery store and buy some granola bars for tomorrow. Heading down to the car, I'm gonna go drive to Kroger to go get some food. I hope I don't have a parking ticket in the parking garage. Okay, we are ticket free. Okay. Let's go. Yup. Okay, so we're actually gonna go to a hibachi place and get sushi because A, it's cheaper, and B, there's more selection. Like that was pretty bad. This area is pretty bad. Like there's a lot more people out today. I mean, that's just where I am. This is Charleston. This is the capital of West Virginia that I remind you I am in. So okay, let's go to this place. It's about a 7-minute drive because I gotta go on the other side of town now. It couldn't be easy today. I'm down. It's only 7 something. We're fine. Okay, here we go. Is this it? Okay. Well, I got sushi finally. Hopefully they give me the spicy mayo salmon rather than just the salmon because they thought it was mayo, but I don't know. I'm ready. I'm hungry. Okay, that's what I am. I am hungry. I'm ready to go back to the hotel. Wrong car. LOL. I was not paying attention. Woo! Okay. I need to get out of here. I need to go back home. I basically got the last parking spot in this garage. Okay, after all that, it is now 8:15 and I'm eating dinner. Potato rolls. And then we got, oh wait, no, these are sweet potatoes. What are these? These are sweet potato rolls. These are spicy salmon. And these are salmon avocado. So, all of that. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Spicy salmon coming up. Okay. I'm gonna call my girlfriend. Bye. 6:44. I woke up at 5 in the morning today. Let's talk about yesterday. So yesterday I was filming this dance competition. It was only a day. It was their first time with our company, so they kind of didn't know how we run things. So I had to kind of explain how things work, how I set up. I thought it was funny because it's not like a actual competition. So like they didn't have as many rules, and there's a whole bunch of parents filming. Like the reason why, I have a whole new understanding of like why you don't record performances for like theaters and, you know, like dancing and things like that. It's not only about the artistry, it's also about their safety. The reason why we don't allow parents to record their shows is because, you know, they could have a wardrobe malfunction, right? And they are kids, right? So they're like every age under 16 basically. There might be actually some 18-year-olds still though. So, you know, when they have a wardrobe malfunction, it opens up a whole array of issues that could, you know, persist with that. With our system, like we mark it and it's like immediately erased off of everything. We can't control what they do with that video. Parents or, you know, relatives, whatever, like some people have like aunts and uncles and, you know, everything like that. That's one of the reasons why we don't let parents record. But they were letting them record. They were, you know, because it was a chill, it was real laid back kind of show. The park opens at 8. I have to be at the airport by 9. My rental car is due at 10. My flight is at 11:30. Okay, let's go to a park. So we have arrived to the lake part of this section. There's so many things. There's like golf courses for disc golf. There's like basketball, soccer, football fields. Like it's like everything. But I finally came to the lake. There's people fishing here, but I'm just gonna go walk around it. I think it'd be fun. I have some time. It's starting to sprinkle, but it's fine. Think you know you're in the country when you see a turtle crossing the road? Because that's what I saw, a turtle crossing the road. I also saw turtles here. They're just a little shy. Pretty cool. Little West Virginia. Oh. This is a massive park actually. Although that might be someone's house. I don't know. It was a total of 74 cents. I didn't know how much I needed, you know, So the current state of Delta, I can't use any of the machines because they're both down to tag my bags, and nobody works here until like 2 hours before the flight. It's like a few minutes before 2 hours. So, you know what? The smallest airport ever. Singapore has nothing to eat that's like dairy free, so I just got a granola bar. Okay, we had some like worse turbulence. We were like airborne for like 30 seconds. Okay, I gotta go to B. I'm in Terminal D. It's Atlanta, so I gotta take a train. This is why I hate Atlanta Airport. I gotta take a freaking train. Such a big airport. Oh my god, this Christmas decoration. Just had to film this, but look. Wow. Okay, back up we go. Get exist. I'm gonna go back and find some food because there's like no food down here, so I gotta walk all the way back. Landed in Philly, thank God. It's at 5:30 right now. Gonna go catch an Uber, get my bags, go home. I made it home. I feel so sick from just like all the turbulence. Like my stomach just feels so queasy right now. Like I just feel so disgusting. I'm home and Haley got me stuff. Did I just break it? Wow, this thing is so messy.